sa katinuwalaan na bawat Pilipino, kakamping Pilipino. ABS-CBN News and Current Affairs. Information, Current Affairs. Mas tunay sa balita sa kahit mundo. Sa ulo ng mga balita. Pagtiti Sara Duterte, she just given the memory education as a complete failure. Yayon! Mula sa ABS-CBN South Central Zone. TV Patrol South Central Zone. Magandang hapon sa Central Zone. Ini ang mga Pilipino saan man sa Kanlunar Zone. Ako si Chris Anjo, ang iyong anchor. Nagbabalita namin. Nag-iikot sa iyo sa mundo. Manila, Philippines, malung skin on Wednesday, described Vice President Sara Duterte's venture of the Chief of Department of Education as a complete failure. Said the Philippines falling behind the other countries on education, responding to Duterte's remark that the country remains a paper and at a pencil, never compared to a nation's modernist education systems. Paris Press official Claire Castro Secretary had the opportunity to lead and implement the very reforms she is now urging. She was supposed to have worked for almost 2 years. Whatever she is complaining about should already been accomplished during the time, as she said, during a palace briefing. With her complaint now that reflects that as a deputy secretary, she was a complete failure, Castro said, or added. President Sara Duterte was welcomed in Paris by supporting calling President DS Europe on August 19, 2025. Photo from DSS Europe Facebook. Duterte served as an education secretary from June 2022 to June 2024. She resigned off of uni concert for our teachers and the Filipino youth without specifying a reason. As her told teachers and students do not have to worry, said the Saudi Arabia addressing problems that Duterte left the agency. Speaking of the problem in Kuwait, Duterte said that while other countries modernized their education systems, the Philippines remains stuck in a paper and pencil stage. Na po ang babalita ngayong araw. Ako po si Chris Andrew, nagbabalita na nilingkod sa inyo saan man sa mundo. Sa Caluran Zone. At mga Larusians o mga Santarosas ay sensyo pa.